Okay, yes guys, we're down in Abergavenny today. Charles Deakins funfairs down on the car park, so you ain't going to worry about getting your feet all mucky on this one. We have had a nice few days. It's been really warm today, but we are talking thunderstorms tonight, so but this lot are pulling down tonight. I'd rather them than me if it's going to chuck you down the rain. See, a lot of people, they don't see what goes on, you know. Fairs just don't turn up and disappear on their own. You got the gaff lads that have got to grovel around on the floor in all sorts of weather. Hollywood Planet Hollywood Funhouse. Right, let's start moving around then and see what we got down here. Monster trucks. There's quite a good selection actually, and it's very well spaced out, as you can see. Plenty of room to move. Now this has put me in mind of a fair that I did in Caldicot in Staffordshire. You know, this is a town unlike Caldicot, which is a really pretty little village, but it's such a nice family orientated funfair. Come on Ian, spit it out. Right, while I'm down this end, Andrew Holmes, the Can, Jump and Smile, Tafco. I have been on it. I've been waiting to get a off-road POV, but no one seems to want to go on it, and it's not going anywhere quick, so I decided I'd start doing this walkthrough instead, 'cause I've got to get down to the next fair, which is James Danter's down in Caldicot. Now this one, Sizzler, old PWS, that belongs to Henry Stud. Now he has got a couple. He's got a King Sizzler, and apparently he's in the market buying another. Quite a pretty little funhouse down here. Yeah, it's a lovely little funhouse, that. What it's like inside, I have no idea, I don't go in them. Right next to it is, you know what, I'm terrible. He told me his name and I can't remember, but he's from Gloucester. He does travel around. He goes to Stratford, down on the riverside. Yeah, they built that themselves. It's quite unusual to see a lifting one like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
Now I've got a funny feeling that top also tilts a bit. Yeah, for a kiddie ride. Oh, you can get adults on that. I have seen some parents go on there. So, you know, you could fit. Hook a duck. I can't remember where it was. I think it might have been Hereford. They were actually still having stores where you could win goldfish. You don't see that so often these days. It's a shame that this type of ride doesn't get a bit more action, because in terms of a kiddie ride, that really does look a premium. Hot Wheels Dodgems. Mark Holmes. Got a ghost train up here. That was another credit for the channel. James Squires. 3-tier ghost train. I don't take too much notice of the panels missing on this one. It is pull down day today, so a lot of this is come down. Chris Danter's fair trade waltzer. Not sure where they're going next. It's always a popular ride, that one. It's one of my favourite waltzes, actually. Got a few jumping smiles down here. Not jumping smiles, you know what I mean, bouncy slides. Train. We haven't got any hooker bags down here. Obviously they think more of their women in Wales. Mini Miami. Food stalls. Coming down. Got the Miami. Terminator. Judgment Day. Elliott Deakins. The sun's been a devil for me today. Took you a basket. even the can's laughing. So yeah, not the biggest affairs, but you know, for a small town fair, it's been a really good fair, this one. So we're going to wind this up now, and I'll head off down to Caldicot for James Danter's, and we'll catch you down there on part 3 of 3.